Hello and welcome to our Karatbars International video tutorial. In this video, we will explain what the profile section is and how it works. Please go to karatbars.com and click on the Login button on the very top right of the site and log into your Karatbars account with your username and password. Once you successfully logged in, you enter the back office. The back office is your private and protected Karatbars area, where you can look up all information about your account, change settings or your profile information, place purchases, learn all about your commissions, and many other things. The View Profile section provides you with a complete overview of all your current profile information you previously entered for your account. In the Preferences section, you can change the privacy setting for your contact details visible to your downline and unsubscribe or subscribe to our newsletter. Change your personal data like physical address, phone number, or email address in the Edit Profile section. Due to security reasons, you cannot edit your username, your real name, your birth date, or change your country of residence. Usernames cannot be changed in general. Please understand that we do not allow usernames to be changed, simply to prevent chaos and confusion. Some people in your upline are only able to assign your account in their team with your username. Changing passwords regularly is highly recommended. Please proceed to Edit Password section to change your password. You first need to type in your current password in the existing password field. After that, you can type in your new password and confirm it by entering it again in the field below. Lastly, and very importantly, in order to be able to purchase Karatbars Gold products or receive any commission payouts, you will need to upload your KYC documents. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. We need a copy of a valid government-issued ID with the matching name, a clear picture and color, and the DOB. For the verification of your physical address, we need a copy of a utility bill, like a gas or phone bill, etc., which is not older than 6 months and that clearly reflects the name, address, and a date. No envelopes, no screenshots or online bills. Some countries require additional information. To upload, please select the document type first. If you want to upload a proof of your ID, please choose Proof of ID in the drop-down menu. Then select the file you want to upload. This can be a picture or a scan of your ID, your passport, or your driver's license, for instance. To select the file, click on Browse and pick the file you want to upload. Click on Open and press the gray button that says Upload Chosen File. After successfully uploading the document, please generally allow 24 hours for the KYC check to be completed by our KYC department. Please note that the KYC check will only be started if you uploaded both, a proof of ID and a proof of address document. Please watch out for an email which will tell you if your KYCs are sufficient and have been approved. If your KYCs are declined, please read the email carefully in order to understand why your KYCs have been considered insufficient. If your KYCs have been in pending for more than 24 hours, please check with our support via email or call our hotline. To learn more about how your back office works, please make sure to check out our other tutorial videos. Thank you for watching and have a golden day. Your Karatbars team.